Hello, my name is Tina Dillard, and today I'm going to show you my second box that I received from Island Batik. So let's get started and show you what I have received. First off, I've already opened my box and we're going to show you what was in there. So we received a lot of batting from Hobbs Batting. They are great quality cotton batting and some of it's wool. So let me show you what I have received. I have received an heirloom, the 8012 black in a queen size. I have received the natural cotton in the queen size also. And this one here is the premium. I can't wait to get started with my project and using this with my Bernina Q16 machine here. I also received the Hobbs Tuscany wool, and these are great for different projects, especially if you're going to do a show quilt that gets more of the details and makes it look crisp. And I also received the Hobbs Simply stuffing. It's 100% polyester. This is great for filling in with stuffed animals, which we'll be doing in later challenges throughout the year with the Funky Friends quilt patterns, who they make various animals that you can make, and they're so much fun to make. We'll be using this inside there. Now, I also received some fabric from Island Batik. This is different. This is a layer cake called Jabberwocky, and it has a lot of variation of color in this collection. Has blues, pinks, purples, reds, greens. It's just like a rainbow of colors in this layer cake. There's 20 different designs, 42 pieces in this one. So this is what I received. And this goes for my fall. This is a winter 2024 collection. Now to go with it, I received 2 yards of this light and 2 yards of this blue that will go along with this collection here. And they picked a perfect colors to go with it. I can't wait to start figuring out what I'm going to make with it later on. And then also I received this gold package. I have no clue what's in here, but it says for Tina Dillard, Island Batik Ambassador, do not open until February 2025. I guess we're going to have to find out together in February when we do our challenge for the blog hop. So stay tuned and I will keep you up to date on what is in this package when I can. So I want to thank all of our sponsors, especially Hobbs today and Island Batik for their products we have received in our boxes. I hope to see you soon, and stay tuned for all of what we make in the Island Batik Ambassadors.